Imagine a future changed by your words. Imagine this. A young student stumbles upon a video late at night. In just a few minutes, that video demystifies a legal concept that once seemed impossible to grasp. That student, inspired by your clarity and passion, decides to pursue law, creating a ripple effect of empowerment for future generations. Now, ask yourself, why shouldn't you be the one creating that transformative moment? The power of your knowledge. As lawyers and law students, you hold a treasure trove of knowledge that most people desperately need, but rarely access. The law is everywhere. It governs relationships, businesses, and even how we express ourselves. Yet for many, the law feels like an inaccessible fortress. But here's the twist. With the rise of social media and content platforms, you have the tools to unlock that fortress and make the law approachable, actionable, and even inspiring. Why content creation is no longer optional. 1. Educate and empower. The next generation is hungry for knowledge but overwhelmed by misinformation. Through engaging videos, articles, and posts, you can be the bridge between confusion and clarity. Your content can simplify legal jargon, teach rights and responsibilities, inspire advocacy for justice. 2. Position yourself as a thought leader. The modern world rewards those who share their expertise. By creating content, you become not just a lawyer or a law student, but a trusted voice in the field. Imagine being the person people turn to when they need guidance, not because they hired you, but because they've learned from you. 3. Reach millions with minimal effort. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok allow you to reach thousands, if not millions, without stepping out of your office or study room. Your insights, presented in a digestible format, could inspire a global audience. A story of impact. The lawyer who changed the narrative. Let me tell you about a lawyer who dared to think differently. She started posting short, engaging videos explaining common legal issues. What to do if you're stopped by the police. How to draft a simple contract. And your rights as an employee. At first, she felt awkward in front of the camera. But as her following grew, she received messages from young students saying, "Your videos made me want to study law." Parents thanked her for helping them understand legal documents without needing to hire someone. Within a year, she wasn't just a lawyer. She was a movement, a symbol of accessible justice. Her clients grew, her reputation soared, and she inspired countless young minds to follow in her footsteps. Why you are the perfect creator. Your perspective is unique. No AI or influencer can replicate your lived experience in law school or practice. You speak with authority. Unlike random legal tips online, your voice carries the weight of credibility. You know what matters. You understand the issues that impact people daily, land disputes, contracts, human rights, and can address them in ways that resonate deeply. The formula: how to start. 1. Hook your audience. Start your content with a question or scenario that grips attention. Do you know what happens if you don't read the fine print? Here's why your contract might not protect you. 2. Tell stories. People remember stories, not statutes. Share real-life cases or relatable anecdotes to make your points stick. 3. Simplify the complex. Use clear language, visuals, and analogies to explain complex concepts. Think of it as teaching, not lecturing. 4. Call to action. Always invite engagement. Ask viewers to comment, share, or take a simple step to apply what they've learned. The bigger picture, a legacy of knowledge. When you create content, you're not just helping today's generation, you're building a legacy. Your videos, articles, or podcasts could be the reason someone understands their rights, pursues a legal career, or fights for justice. The next generation isn't looking for perfection. They're looking for clarity, passion, and guidance. And you have what it takes to provide that. Are you ready to inspire the future? The choice is yours. Remain a passive observer or become a voice that shapes the legal landscape for generations to come. The tools are at your fingertips. The knowledge is in your mind, and the world is waiting to listen. Start creating. Start inspiring. Start changing lives. One post, one video, one story at a time.